What's up, family? Now, like I was telling you, we hopped in that SPY 545 call, right, for today, right? 545 call for today. We up 28% on it already, right? 30%. Y'all know what my thing is. When we get up like this, depending on how many contracts you have, you want to get up out of there right now. Right now, family. But I hop in these contracts and I show y'all this stuff for because, like, the market ain't even been open 3 minutes and I'm already up 38% on this contract, family. 40% on this contract. Y'all feel what I'm saying? So now what you do is you get in here and you set a stop loss. You say sell, and then you say limit order, and you say stop limit, right? And then you say my stop price is 135, right? Or better yet, 1.35, and then my limit price 1.33, right? So that would be my estimated credit and walk away with that if I get stopped out. So I'll review that, and hold on. It's ticking up, but the thing is that, and see, that's why I just take it. When I see it, I just take it, family, because it'll come right back down and test you. But if the SPY is pushing 141, 140, you know, it's going to try to go back. You know, it's trying to go back. So you can be patient and let it just kind of cook. We got in there at $1 and something, right? Now we can take it right now and see that, okay, it's not trying to go like we wanted to, but it's still pushing up. It's still pushing up. Long as it's pushing up. And then I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to view the SPY. And see that blue line? When it starts trying to come under that blue line as you're in it, that's when you want to come out. Because as it's coming back to that blue line or trying to come back under that blue line, it's testing. You see what I'm saying? Like, now let's look at it. See, it's 124. It should have put me out of there, but I didn't put it in there, y'all. See what I'm saying? But we just got to be patient and see what it want to do. It look like it might want to come pull back. It want to come pull back and go the other way, huh? It's testing. It's testing the low. It's testing it. Y'all see that? It's pulling back now. Pulling back. Pulling back. Okay, it's pulling back, y'all. Pulling back. We just have to be patient. Be patient. Pulling back. Yeah, it's falling kind of hard, but it's going to come pull back and give you another chance. You see that? It's giving you another chance. That's why it's good to be in and out. Y'all see that? Now, if you could have been in and out, you would have been good. You know what I'm saying? You could have had banked. All of that, it went to like 30. It was up like 30, 40%. And see, we stayed in there. Now we only up 10%. Y'all see that? So it's going to try to push back to 540. I think it pushed back. Now we probably can see if we can play it back the other way. Now it's playing with 539. It's struggling at 540 because it crossed over 540. Now 540 is resistance. You see? So if it can cross back over, see that 541, 542? We finna take that, family. 150. It's gonna try to, ooh, it went, y'all see that? 210, 226? It's hopping. It's hopping, family. We up 140%, 150%. Y'all see that? It's finna go hit 545, family. $3. We up $3. Y'all seeing it? This is why options is so, let me trade, let me sell, let me sell, let me sell out. I'm gonna take that, family. Now y'all see in 8 minutes, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Family, I'm up. And it's still pushing. It's still pushing, family. This is what I want for y'all. Imagine if I had 10 contracts, family. This is what I want to tell y'all. You'd have had a couple $1,000s real quick. So I'm through with that. It went and hit 542, 543, 544. It jumped quick. But we made that money. That was it, that 545 call I told y'all this morning. That was the play that I called in the huddle. This is what I be doing every day. This quick, family. And then then y'all be like, where you get the money to buy the plays? This is where I'm getting the money, right? That quick. So I made $300-400 real quick on that spot, family. Y'all see that? Real quick. So now we up to 95. You know, now I had about $300 because I had about $200 in there already. About 200 some dollars I made, but I went 100% on my contract. I bought the contract at $1, and then that thing went and hit $3. I just sold out before it tried to come back down and take too much, family. That's the how options work, family. Y'all just seen firsthand me make money in live time. In 8-9 minutes in the market, I made $300, family. This is what I want for y'all. This is what I want y'all to grasp hold of. But you gotta be careful with day trading. It's in and out. You see how I was in and I started to take it, but I was like, just watch it. That's why I say you gotta be patient. And then everything will work out, family. I love y'all. Peace.